Oh my God.
Florida and Alabama are in the midst of an extended period of severe weather as a powerful storm system brings torrential rain and the threat of flash flooding. This is a multi-day event that began on Thursday and is expected to last well into next week, bringing significant moisture and some much-needed relief from the recent heat. However, it's also creating dangerous conditions on the roads and in communities. This new wave of weather follows an intense period of thunderstorms that recently impacted South Florida, where residents experienced winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour and hail described as marble-sized. While the cooler temperatures from these storms are a welcome change, they come with a new set of risks. Forecasters from 6 South Florida indicate that the deluge of rain has been beneficial, keeping temperatures in the normal range of around 90 to 91 degrees, and preventing the need for a heat advisory for the first time in a week. The forecast calls for on and off storms today and Saturday, with Sunday's rain expected to be more concentrated in the afternoon. The most immediate concern, however, is the flash flooding that has already begun in parts of the region. On Thursday evening, the National Weather Service issued a weather alert for Madison County, Alabama, which included a warning for strong thunderstorms and torrential rain. The alert, which was in effect for nearly an hour, was prompted by a storm system tracked by Doppler radar near the University of Alabama in Huntsville, moving south at a slow 5 miles per hour. This slow movement is a key factor in the flooding, as it allows a continuous downpour to fall over the same areas, quickly overwhelming drainage systems.
Start to hail. It's small. Generator kicked on. See how much is in the rain gauge. Let's see from here.
The Weather Service reported that the storm could produce wind gusts of up to 50 miles per hour, capable of knocking down tree limbs and displacing unsecured objects. Affected areas included major hubs like Huntsville, Madison, the Redstone Arsenal, and the Huntsville International Airport. The alert specifically warned of the torrents of rain causing localized flooding and sternly advised people not to drive their vehicles through flooded roadways, a crucial safety message that cannot be overstated. Tragically, in other parts of Alabama, reports have confirmed that a person has died in floodwaters after their vehicle was swept away, and multiple water rescues have been necessary, underscoring the severe and potentially deadly consequences of ignoring these warnings. Adding to the danger is the frequent lightning accompanying these storms. The National Weather Service reminds us that lightning is a major, and often underrated, weather hazard. It strikes the United States approximately 25 million times each year, with the highest concentration of strikes occurring in the summer. Lightning can strike from a considerable distance away, up to 10 miles from the center of a storm. The risk to individuals outdoors is at its peak when a thunderstorm is directly overhead. Sadly, these strikes result in an average of 20 fatalities annually, with many of those who are injured suffering long-term disabilities. The message is clear. If you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning and should immediately seek safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. For those who must travel, heavy rain can create a treacherous environment. When visibility is so poor that you cannot see the road's edge or other vehicles at a safe distance, it is a sign that you must pull over. The safest option is to find a rest area or other protected location.
飞走了，天啊，没有，还好，这么大的雨，你不要乱飞了。哇，这雨太大了。
If you are forced to stop on the side of the road, pull off as far as possible, ideally past the end of a guardrail. And remember to turn on your headlights and emergency flashers to make your vehicle visible to other drivers. These simple life-saving precautions can make all the difference in a situation where conditions can change in an instant. The storms are expected to continue, so staying informed and exercising extreme caution is the best way to navigate the coming days.